Like today I'll be making mini chocolate bananas which are perfect for New Year's parties, Christmases, and many other celebrations and other kind of meetings. So let's just start making the bananas. First of all, you're gonna need 3 bananas, and you wanna cut them into large chunks, and then you wanna mash them, which is pretty simple to do because this entire recipe is actually simple, even though I'm posting it after Christmas. So yeah. Next up, add 100 grams of coconut powder, and then you wanna mix it alongside the bananas, which until it becomes a nice thick doughy texture. Although it's not gonna be like a normal dough, but it kinda will end up a bit close. Then once the mixture is done, you wanna grab a little bit of the banana mixture and you wanna squeeze it with your hands till it becomes this large piece, similar to a banana if you want to, but you can make it whatever you want. You can make a stick, you can make it like a, I don't want to say it, but like a dookie, alright? Like a, yeah, right, you get the idea. You can make it into balls or bombs if you want. It doesn't affect anyone. But if you want to follow along how I made these shapes, then just watch my hand movement. It's not that complicated. And once you made enough of your bananas or any shapes you want, you just wanna melt some chocolate, and then you wanna coat the entire bananas into chocolate. Make sure all of them are covered, and then set them aside or inside of a tray and leave them to chill for about 2 or 3 hours, maybe 4, for best effect. For a quicker effect, you might as well put them in the freezer or in the refrigerator. The refrigerator is better. And that's about it. This is how much this short recipe took. It didn't took that long, but it's a nice dessert nonetheless. Hope you enjoy it. Also, I wish you have all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks.